Good morning, everyone. Greetings. Good day. Happy Monday times with a major update for the Lucy. That's the way to kickstart, guys. What's up, everyone? How you doing? Good morning, good evening, good day, good afternoon. Look at that one, guys. So excited about this. So excited on Lucy Daily. Dailies in fire. We're gonna take daily payouts. Lucy Daily. I can't wait to smash those daily payouts, even from 50k account. How you doing, guys? Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Well. It's not gonna be a slow Monday. We have to trade a lot of the. You know, I got 5 funded on Lucid, and I'm having a hard time with that. I'm having a hard time with this 5 funded. I don't have space basically for Lucid Daily. I only have evaluations. I got myself a few evaluations ready to trade today. Oh yeah. Ready to trade today. A few evaluations, but certainly we're not gonna get started before we are going to share this live stream pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups. Come on, guys, let's go. We're live. You want to do the same thing? Invite your friends, Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, trading groups, pretty much everywhere. Look at that, Jake is here, ready for the show. We had a bunch of number 2 coming out on the wheel last week. Oh yeah. Any questions? Welcome, guys. Any questions? Welcome. For Lucid Daily, any question, I am fully informed. There's only one little thing which is not yet on their help desk, and I don't know officially. One very little thing. You're not gonna guess it. You're not gonna guess it. You're not gonna guess it, so you can ask me about anything. Oh, Maddie is asking with the Lucid Daily, does the intraday drawdown stop once you build the buffer? That's exactly the thing which is not yet specified fully, Maddie. You got it. That's exactly the thing. It's not yet cleared on their page. And I've reached out, so we're going to see an official response from their executive. We're going to have a response directly from the source. Oh, yeah. How's your day? Good morning, good day, guys. Good morning, good day. Well, we're great. We're great. Especially with the Lucy dashboard on the daily. Oh. End of the day, intraday, on and off for the daily loss. Customizable. I like this, guys. Good day, good morning. What's the POW cap daily? There is no POW cap daily. No. 0. Yeah, no POW cap. Attention, please, Gonzalez. No POW cap for the Lucid. How many POWs per account before live transition? Well, it used to be 5. It used to be 5 on Lucid, which is... But think about 5 you can do on 5 accounts. 5 on 5 accounts, and you don't have a cap. It used to be 5 on Lucid. You guys know that. It is huge. No cap. There's one thing. I mean, there's 2 things. 2 things. Let me tell you. Let me quickly tell you. And we talked about it on our Discord. Where is it? Oh, let me see Let me share with you guys. There's going to be a lot of the questions answered today. Let me look into that. News trading. News trading for Lucid Daily is not permitted. Any red folder a minute before and a minute after is not permitted. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, you gotta sleep on it. Do not trade, do not touch Lucid Daily a minute before, a minute after. Forex calendar. No, it's Forex Factory /calendar. Top right corner, you got green button to filter for the red folder and US, so you get all the news there. Thank you so much, guys. So let me get through your questions. It's not gonna crash. Why would it be? I mean, you're not touching 8,000. You can cash out 7,000 5 times. Lucid Pro funded rule, it needs buffer. Yes, it needs buffer. The buffer is initial balance value plus $100. For Lucid Pro, someone asked me about Lucid Pro. It is huge, guys. I'm going to respond to your questions today. We have a lot to talk about. Yes, a major competition with my funded futures and take profit trader with this. This is going to be a big one, guys, a big one. And we're going to trade our accounts today. So here's for the daily, Lucid Daily, the discussion about the payouts. Look at that. Lucid Daily is different from our other plans. It does not follow a strict payout cap per request structure. Instead, there is a maximum amount of sim profit that can be earned in a day. You should not touch this value unless you want to go live, which means $8,000 in a day for 50K and $12,000 per day for the 150K. Right? This has nothing to do with the amounts of money you're taking out. This has to do with the profits you're making in a day. You only see Lucid Daily on the portal. It's not strange because this is for the actual clients only. It's not strange. They have more than 300,000 traders, and first they integrated for the clients, right? So it's just for you need an account at Lucid. I'm not. I'm gonna limit my profits, right? So let's do the math for the 50K or for the 150K, 8,000. You don't need to do 8,000 and then complain you're moved to live. Just do 7, do 5, do 6, do 4,000 and take that money out. Right? So look at that. Exactly. 12,000 with 5 accounts is 60. But you don't want to do 12,000 in a day. I made a video, guys, for you to understand the whole thing. Here's the video. It's a complete review on my channel. Here's the video, guys. Posted the link right there. We're talking about a new program for Lucid. Daily payouts, no cap, no consistency on the funded stage. It's nuts. You know, the max discount plus luckiness behind it, Scrembo coupon code, gives you all. It's not just about a discount. It needs to be some little touch of luckiness. Alright, guys, so let's look into the market. It's supply here. 760 supply, 740, 750 supply. We have 4 different touches on the hourly for this supply that has been confirmed so far. And we have a massive gap, by the way. I am not sure if you guys seen it, but we have a massive gap here. 300s, 500s, 200 points of gap. What's the theory with the gaps and Mondays? Yes, the new program for Lucid is already live. You can grab that in your... So you just have to go to your dashboard, your portal, log into your account, and you have add account, and you see Lucid Daily inside. Oh yeah, it's already live. Any questions? Welcome, guys, with the new Lucid plan. Let me know. Yeah, the FundedSeat. We recovered last Friday. We ended up on profits. Yeah, I can show you that. I can show you that. We were down, what, 50,000 or what was it? I think it was 50,000. We're going to talk about the FundedSeat 2 plan. Where is it? Here's the big belly account on Friday, guys. $10,000 profits. So we were down 50. We were down 50, and we finished 10,000 profit. I think it was down 50 or something like that. So we made 60. We made 60 to recover. Yeah. But the problem for me is I need some space and room. I'm not going to give up on my big belly accounts, but I'm wondering about the other that I have. I'm wondering, I mean, I don't want to lose the other accounts because I don't have space right now for funded of daily. I'm going to trade evaluations of daily today. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to trade evaluations. We're going to trade our FundedSeat. We're going to trade some Blusky. You know, we have the Blusky buffer stage, the 200K static. We're loaded up with so many accounts this Monday. You know, we have 5 FundedSeat Bolt. We have basically 4 evaluations and the buffer of Blusky. All static drawdown. Oh. We have Lucid daily accounts that I want to trade so bad. Daily VWAP here bothering me. Well, let's look into this. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're gonna take it slow, guys. There is a lot of time to talk about new Lucid accounts. A lot of time. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We must hit that 180 likes. Thank you once again. I'm gonna quickly ask you. Just a little bit later, what do you think about the gap? Is it going to be filled up today or Wednesday? Yeah, trade C is quite simple, but I do like Volumetrica from Deep Charts. I think it's even better. You'd like to see that, Paul. You'd like to see that. I do have a tutorial for Trade C on my channel. You want to check that out. If you say Scrembo Trade C on YouTube, if you search that, Scrembo Trade C, you're going to get my tutorial. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Fred. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, buddy? What's up? We have new plans for Lucid. It's a major announcement in the space of prop firms. You know what's happening right now with the other prop firms? They are trembling with the accounts Lucid came out. You know, it's daily pounds, it's no consistency, it is no cap. Good morning, good day, welcome. We posted already, we posted a video, you guys want to see that today. It's just nuts. The account can be found in your dashboard. You gotta log into your dashboard for the Lucid portal. Customizable. You know what I like about this, especially when I want to go high speed, is I buy the account today. I do half of my target today, half of the target tomorrow. So I pass the account tomorrow, the next day. Then I trade that day. I trade above the buffer. And able to request the payout above the buffer, right? So basically I bought an account yesterday that I'm requesting the payout already. Think about 24 hours away. 24 hours away you can request the payout. Yeah, the site is not loading. We started a live stream and there's millions of people on the website accumulating Lucid daily. Oh my gosh. We're not having links here, Space Jam. No links here, unfortunately. You will be able to get it. Site is gonna load up. It's quite heavy traffic right now. Tons of people grabbing it. Let me bring up Quant Tower. I want to start trading that, guys. I'm so excited. Oh. Let me bring up Quant Tower. I'm watching this closely. I'm watching this closely. Lucid Daily. Lucid Daily, buddy. It is located inside your dashboard. Lucid Daily. Inside your dashboard, inside your portal. It is not visible on the main website without looking into your dashboard. It is available to buy now. Yes. Lucid Daily. Daily payouts, no payout caps, and no consistency on the funded stage. It's fully customizable. You can select the type of drawdown you want. And you can select the daily losses. Yes or no. So you can customize. It's going to be huge, guys, with Lucid. We got a few 150k. Obviously, that's the sizing I'm dealing with. 150k. Very similar. Probably their servers are down a little bit, guys, with a daily. I think there is a ton of people right now. Servers are heavily loaded. For those of you that are experiencing some issues, give it another few minutes. 2-3 minutes, try again. Yeah. Give it a few minutes. Oh, look at that. So here's the first account, guys, of Lucid Daily. I have a daily loss limit activated. I got it with daily loss limit on it. 2,700. Oh, yeah. So I got end of the day drawdown with daily loss limit. So how much is the 150k depends. If you want to go daily loss or no daily loss, intraday with end of the day. This is really good. Really good. I think it's even better than Take Profit Trader. Yeah, this is to compete and wipe out Take Profit Trader. How do you set account controls with Quant Tower? I am not setting account controls in Quant Tower. And I haven't found a way around it. The best way to do it will probably I suggested people for Quant Tower to utilize a third-party software or service to lock Quant Tower for a limited time off your computer, right, of your trading desk. Lock this software for the next 6 hours, something like that. Now, of course, that locks the whole system out, not specifically per account. You guys will see. You guys will see. What would I recommend for the 150k? Well, instead of trailing, when you have the option, let's take a look into this, guys. So instead of trailing, because we have the option of going with end of the day drawdown or intraday. Obviously, end of the day is way more comfort. Yeah, it's not possible, Rocket. I don't think that's possible there. You can just have a stop loss on each of your trade and that's it. Daily loss limit depends what you guys go about it. You want a daily loss or no. But these are the two different categories that are customizable. I like the fact that there is no scaling, right? So you can just go aggressively. Oh, you can get the payouts purple. Why can't you get the payouts? You can get the payouts. I can show you with let me show you. Just get yourself an account. Purple Ninja. Get yourself an account with a credit card and you can use this to buy. It has a bank account in the US. Let me send you guys the links for those of you that like to see. I've been talking about it, the EtherFi. Right. Let me see if this is still... Here's purple. Yeah, but you're not gonna get paid through plane. Here's the link. You're not gonna get paid through plane. They have a different payment for international. It's not plane. It's called differently, guys. Remember. Tell me quickly, what's the system that's international for Lucid? It's not plane. Plane is for US. What's the system that's international? Work market. Work market. Right? So, yeah, work market. You got your work market. You create an account on EtherFi, this one. Massively legit company without an issue. You get a credit card with this, and this is having a US bank account, right? So you connect the bank account from EtherFi to your work market. This is the way a lot of the people use it. You also get 3% cash back basically on your credit card purchases in this one. You can do, you know, if you want crypto to this or not, but it's not mandatory. Basically, this is not just crypto stuff, the EtherFi. So again, create an account, get your KYC done, apply for a bank account, complete all the KYC process. You get a bank account details from US, and you take this. It doesn't have crypto. You don't need crypto, basically. You don't need crypto at all on work market because you add your bank account details on work market. Add your bank account details on work market, guys. Yes, this is also functional for non-US residents. Yes. Right, so you can use this with work market. Work market is the payment processor used by Lucid for international. You get a US bank account here, you put it on work market, you get your resources there. Yes, and then you can send it from here to a different bank account if you want. You can do that. Or you can directly buy Lucid accounts from here. You can buy on any prop firm Lucid accounts from here. Here's the link, EtherFi. Here's the link to sign up. Intraday unfunded. Yeah, this is a discussion, guys, because it is intraday unfunded. The question is, which I'm still waiting an official response from their executives. I've reached out today, and it's not stated in their support. So what happens if our balance is reaching in profit in the funded stage? Yes, EtherFi is international. The max loss plus $100. Will it become static? Right? That's my question. It's not stated because then it's no longer trailing, even in the funded stage, above the buffer balance plus $100. Right? But I have to confirm this. I have to confirm this. If it becomes static. above the buffer balance plus $100, like it becomes, for example, on Lucid Pro and Lucid Flex. And then you only have it intraday from your starting point till you build your buffer balance plus 100. Simplistic video, good day. What's up, buddy? Oh, the major update for Lucid is they have a new plan. A plan that's breaking the markets. It's breaking the markets. It is a shock for the space of props. You know why? Because it's daily payouts and no caps and no consistency. Yeah. Static over the buffer. They are not stating this one. They, probably missed to state that in the help zone, and I've reached out. Right, so here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh. They probably missed to clear that. It's not an it's a cap on your profit, not on your withdrawal. Attention. It's not a cap on your withdrawal, it's on the profits you can have per day. For a 50K, 8,000. You're not supposed to make more than 8,000 per day, but this is not about the withdrawals. Keep that in mind. You're not supposed to make more than 8,000. I mean, if you do this, you're going to be moved to live automatically. If you exceed or earn that value per day, 8,000 for 50K or 12,000 for 150K, you're moved to live. This has nothing to do with the money you're cashing out. This is daily profit. Right, so the payout is not having a cap. It is totally nuts, guys. Maximum discount right there, Scrembo. Yeah, less than 8,000 per day, especially you can take that money out, is really good. It's really good. Now, of course, if you're taking 40, 50 grand in a week, they will move you to live. Like, do not expect that to be different. That's a lot of money for a week. And you will come back basically to this accounts once you lose your live, so don't worry. I'm watching this closely, and I'm quite on the side. I was not really enthusiastic about shorting this top. I was thinking about touching the green algo line slightly above the 700s. But I would ask you with the gap, as 500s. What an opening. Fixed on the 500s. Can you believe that, guys? Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. We have a massive celebration here. Yeah, rushing to withdraw. I mean, you got the buffer. You always have the buffer. You always have the buffer there. Because you can't withdraw in your buffer. You always have the buffer. If you want to be safer, you can build above the buffer. But this is huge, guys. Huge. Yeah. No, it's a ton of money. So basically they're opening the doors for some massive profits. I don't know. I don't know. This is going to be juicy, guys. Yeah, we'll have to make a comparison video between the Take Profit Trader and Lucid new offer. That's going to be a great video, I guess. We just grabbed this top here. And I'm going with my first trade of 2 minis. On the Lucid daily accounts, 150,000. First trade of 2 minis, guys. Oh, look at that. Come on, bring it down, boy. Triple tap here with an explosion of liquidity. 80-20 on Take Profit. You got 90-10 on Lucid. 90-10. Yeah, Lucid is having crypto directly, but you gotta go through a quite sophisticated process of KYC before you can request directly crypto payouts if you want to do that on Lucid. Look at that, guys. We are about to make some money on a Lucid daily. First trade on this account. Oh yeah, I like this. And I'm out here. Let me take that $788. So excited about this. Come on, guys. 788 profit on the first trade for Lucid daily. Oh, feels like a pound. Imagine this would be above the buffer and I would just simply get into my dashboard right now, click that green button, right? Requested payout, 788, boom. Hitting the bank account in 2 minutes. That's what we're talking about. Imagine this would be above the buffer. Imagine. What a lovely day, guys. So happy. Ask me any questions. Any questions are welcome. Oh. We got to the algo line here, as I said. Very close to it, and we shorted that. If we're going to fill up the gap, I'm reshorting this, guys. I'm reshorting this on 2 minis. Yep. Reshorting it on 2 minis. Hey AD, good morning, good day, good evening. Welcome everyone. Major update for Lucid. Major. We have a new plan with daily payouts, no consistency, and no cap on the payouts. Unlimited evaluations, maximum 500. You can do copy trading. And it's extremely customizable, so you can do whatever you want with the type of drawdown, with the daily losses. The name is Lucid Daily. Inside your dashboard, inside your portal. You gotta get into your Savius account. Here's the account model, guys. Here's the Lucid Daily. We also posted an image and a video. By the way, we got the video, the review. I was yes, you can have it with or without daily loss. You select from here. Look at that. You decide daily loss on and off, on and off. Even the drawdown, end of the day or intraday, whatever you want. You just click the buttons and you get basically the model. Oh, Twister got back. Twister, 100%. Twister got back. You got that info officially, Twister. So with the intraday, only till buffer and then static after. Yeah, this is where I posted about it, guys, with a new Lucid daily account. Look at that. It is. It is, Twister. That's insane. Even Maddie. Yeah, we're on the live stream. We're on the live stream. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, buddy, for that. Congratulations. You can't see it on the website, you have to see it in your portal, in your dashboard. Big Bear Carlos. Get into your dashboard, get into your portal, and say add an account. And you will see it there. It's a hidden gem. It's only for people having an account at Lucid. A hidden gem. They got more than 300,000 traders, so there is a huge market for this. Oh, look at that, guys. We're printing. We are printing on the first Lucid daily account of 150K. I'm going stop loss break even. And I'm going for a runner. We're just trading 2 minis here. I've been very cautious for no reason, I guess. Very cautious because of the too much enthusiasm and adrenaline I have. Which one do I prefer, flex or daily? Daily by far, my friend. You got daily payouts and no cap. With flex you need 6 days for the payout. With flex. With daily, I can request my payout the next day I buy it. The next day I buy it, I can request my payout and I can do 5,000 or something like that. Have a good one, Space Jam. See you soon, buddy. Yes. In an email, I read that in an email, they said nearly $500 million paid out. It's not 23 months. They're since April 2025 or something like that. Oh, you're out or you're short. So, think about, guys. Think about it. $500 million? How much is 50K daily? Well, let's look into it. I'm still holding this trade actively, guys. I'm not exiting yet. I want to do 4,500. So let me share with you how much is the 50K daily. Here's the Lucid daily. Inside your account, you just have to log into your portal, your dashboard. You go add account, right? You guys know these things. And then you have Lucid daily. And then you got your 50K account here. Right? So it depends which drawdown you want. I assume you want end of the day. Or intraday, depends. But this refers to the evaluation stage. The drawdown that you are selecting refers to the evaluation stage. Daily loss limit, if you want a daily loss or not. If you want, yes, 1,200 will be. If you don't want, it's nothing. But the price is going higher. So with daily loss limit is 115. Without is 135. 20 bucks extra. Depends how you need. Always Scrembo coupon code for the maximum discount, guys. Always. Yeah. I've been grabbing some with daily loss limit on 150K. I'm selling here for the moment. I'm selling here, guys. 1,631 celebration time. Celebration time. Oh, oh. This is all Lucid daily. Sure, you activate a daily loss. It's cheaper with daily loss. It's cheaper. I also got them with daily loss. The drawdown in the funded stage is the same like in the evaluation stage. Boom, Jake, you can hear the fireworks. Yeah, I got daily loss limit here for this account. For all my Lucid daily, all of them are having daily loss limits. You see why we exited here. It was a meaningful level, possibly giving a reaction. So keep in mind today, you can watch the review video about Lucid Daily Plan. Yeah, you have plenty of time. And in the next days, we're going to have all those great videos with strategies, with the way we can maximize, and I don't want to say take advantage because we're not miserable, right? But pretty much optimize our trading journey for the highest profits. You know, our job is to make money. Their job is to make money. And then we're going to find our way. They're going to find their way. That's it. That's it, guys. We're happy to trade. We're happy to perform by following completely following their rules. Think we gap fill today? That's one of my questions as well. Would it be lovely to have some hundreds of points? If end of the day evaluation is also... So end of the day evaluation is evaluation only because the funded stage is intraday until you touch your buffer. Above the buffer, it's static, but till the buffer, it's intraday on the funded stage for all Lucid Daily. Above the buffer becomes static, which is lovely, right? So that's the portion between the starting balance in the funded stage and your buffer, which is max loss value plus $100. That's the buffer on any account, max loss plus $100. That's the portion we have to master how we deal with that intraday. And we're going to talk about it, have some videos, and I'm going to trade it here, and you guys will see. So I'm not scared. I'm not afraid of intraday. I'm not scared and afraid at all. There's a massive distance here. Good day, good morning. Good day, good morning. Mark is reacting here once again. It's not really convincing to me. With that massive gap sitting there, I'm having a hard time. It is cheaper, amazing. And we got momentum. It's 90 to, it's not like TPT. TPT is 80 to 20. Big Bear Carlos here, it's 90 to 10 on your path. Scared for intraday. It's just a little stage till you get your buffer balance. And then you're out of that. You're out of that. You know, with intraday, you gotta go limit orders, exit. Not allow the price action to go up and then come back and you exit. No, you gotta exit on the move, on the rise. That's how you have to trade the intraday, to exit on the rise. And certainly you can't expect big targets with trailing. On the rise, on the rise. We're gonna master this, guys. It's a matter of time till we learn how to trade that particular segment. It's a matter of time. There's nothing we can't learn and become good at. I can tell you. I'm here, guys, helping you and discussing. It's 90 to 10 basically for Lucid. Take profit trader is 80 to 20, so you're missing out. If you have a $5,000 PAL, you're missing out $500 between the TPT and Lucid. It's going to make a lot of winners. Oh yeah. Take Profit Trader has 5 days test. Simplistic videos, 5 days test evaluation. Lucid is 2 days. Today you buy it, tomorrow you pass it, and the same day you can request your first PAL because you have no consistency and you can make a banger. Exactly, you gotta sculpt to survive. Exactly. Green. Exactly. Jake, depends on your bot. I guess they will be more profitable. I guess they will be more profitable. I'm retesting a short here, guys. Look at that candles. I'm retesting it here on the same account, and I'm shorting my Blusky as well. The buffer one we have. Yeah. We have 2,400 bucks static here. Our target is 3,000 bucks, and we're going to... Oh my gosh, guys, we're trading so many accounts. It's hard to keep up with all the rules, with all the things. Yes, 5 seconds rule. 50% of your profits needs to be earned from trades you held a minimum 5 seconds, about 50% of your profits. Forget about the testing programs, Jake. Just get those 5-10 bundle accounts on the daily and go with it big time. Buffer is the max loss plus 100 bucks. Max loss plus 100 bucks. Stop loss break even here, guys. Wow. Looks like we can do some nice money with this sizing. Too many as you got 2,000 bucks. If this would be our first day in the funded stage, I'm out here too. Yeah, I'm out. We made some money. Peanuts. And we lost 50 bucks on my Blusky. This Blusky, we passed the evaluation on this Blusky, and if you remember on Friday, we were close losing the account. Yet we recovered totally. We were 1,700 from a 2,000 max loss static on Friday, recovered and made 400 bucks profit. Yeah. Well, I hope they're gonna keep these plans active as much as possible. If the plans are profitable, they're gonna keep them. If the plans are not profitable for the company, they're going to act on time. But I guess they have done numerous tests. Oh, look at that, why we got out of the long. Sorry, we were in a short, but that guy touched my trailing. Yeah. And I did not reshort it. Yeah. It's not an easy day for me trading with all this Lucid daily stuff coming out. Above the buffer. After the buffer. The buffer is small. And you have no consistency, you can do that. I like to trade each firm by firm on copy trading because we have different targets and rules and different levels of intensity on different accounts, right? That's why I'm trading differently, guys. No copy trading between the firms. Some of the accounts have different targets, rules, and all that stuff. So I think spreading the risk like this is giving me edge. Yeah, hit the like, guys. Hit the like. Hit the road. Hit the road. 180. 180 likes. We gotta touch that 180. You know it. If we don't touch 180 likes, we don't do giveaways. It's simple. Bring it down. I had a nice short, and they wiped me out on trailing. Yeah, well, we might go over the gap. It's quite uncertain, but the price action is following that direction. Yeah. You're not trading above the VWAP. Losing the VWAP is not a good sign. We might go for the gap, guys, or minimum 500. I wouldn't mind going for the gap on a Wednesday or Thursday time. I wouldn't mind. It's end of the day or intraday as you prefer, Peter. But then the funded stage is intraday from the starting balance until you make the buffer. And then it becomes static. Right? So you can do customize. You can certainly customize your evaluation. It's customizable. The new daily plans inside your dashboard, guys. Your drawdown is customizable on the evaluation stage. For the funded stage, the drawdown is intraday from the moment you start till you hit your buffer. Above the buffer, it's static. So there is a specific segment for everyone on this Lucid Daily. And that's the funded stage starting point till you hit the size of your buffer. The buffer is max loss plus $100. Another issue, guys. We will learn how to trade this. And we can do end of the day. I did end of the day for my Lucid dailies. End of the day. Yeah. There is just, you know, a little segment with intraday. End of day with a daily loss limit. That's how I got it, Bob. That's how I got all my accounts. Oh, it's getting hot out here. It's getting hot with all the accounts, with all the discussions. This is a major update, guys. This is going to break the prop firm space, prop firm markets. Joyce Fernandez, have a beautiful week. Thank you so much for your great words. Peter, on Take Profit Trader, you need 5 days in the test stage, in the evaluation stage. Here, you don't need 5. You can do 2 days. And actually, the first day in your fund that you can request your payout. Plus, the Take Profit Trader is 80 to 20 on your payout. Here, we're talking about 90 to 10. It's a major difference. And I'm going to make a video, guys, putting out a comparison. Probably I'm going to do that video quickly. Comparison between Take Profit Trader and Lucid new plans. Yes, the drawdown is the same. Intraday till you hit the buffer size and then it becomes static. Oh, what are we up to here? I could even accept this profit, right? I could even accept this. But I'm going a little aggressive knowing that there's space for continuation. Continuation. Keep it down, down we go. Oh yeah. That gap. All the way for 300. We have a 200 points gap. No, Jay Banis, it's end of the day. End of the day. What's up, Anton? What's up, Anton? Yeah, simplistic videos. We've got no cap on your payouts, daily payouts, no consistency, 90 to 10, and you can request your payout the first day on your funded stage while purchasing the account the day before. Next to all these things I said, you can check the review video we've got. At any point you have time, a video has been posted about it. But think about it, there is no company out there where you buy an evaluation today and tomorrow you take $5,000 out, which are paid in 15 minutes or less than that. What's the average payout, guys, you guys have experiencing with Lucid? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. If you're going plain, if you got plain as a processor, even work market is extremely fast. It's just nuts. Yeah, the short is here still functioning, but we got wiped out from that silly green candle pushing back to my break even. 1 minute for Lucid withdrawal. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, so it is a matter of seconds. There's huge discounts right now for this Lucid daily. It's obviously prices will go up. People will make a lot of money with this. So right now with this 1,700 we'd made and our 2,700 daily loss limit, what's the drawdown today? 1,700 with 2,700, 4,400. Yeah, I can increase my sizing right now. 4,400. Well, it looks like a nice domination. 600s. I don't want to knife catch this for my Lucid account. I got in a little trade on my Blusky and we made 30-40 bucks. Because we were down 50 and now we're down 13. It is. Look at that. You know what makes the difference here and turns the predictions heavily for the downside is this high here. This one. That one, guys. That turns the wheel around and goes for a short. It was a key moment. You know, this is what happens when you do technicals and price action. There is an analysis that allows you to understand key moments. There's key moments that are defining in a significant way the upcoming movements with a higher predictability, I would say. But these key moments are key moments. They are not discoverable at every moment. They're not happening every other minute, right? So the previous top we had right to the left here, this one that I'm circling right now, is not a key moment. The next one is a key moment. So one thing, you have a clear double top with an engulfing candlestick coming through, and the indicator that I run, the green line, which is a indicator of dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price, is putting out rejection on that. So for my 5-minute approach, I do listen to that quite often. The continuation that comes here against all the pressure from the VWAP and all that stuff is, oh, we have the markets opening, guys. Here we go. We have the markets opening. Let's have a look into this. Is it going for the lows? Without green candles? I guess we'll see, right? I'm shorting this, guys. Lovely. We're also making a lot of money for our Blue Sky. I'm out on the Blue Sky, 600 bucks profit. I'm going to be out here as well, 2,957. Oh my gosh. That's almost 50%, guys, which is 4,500. Celebration time. That was a huge one. Even on Blue Sky, we made 600 bucks, guys. Look at that. Celebration. We're calling it a day for this one. This is no longer an evaluation account, guys. Oh, so much joy trading. So much joy. Look at that. You guys want to be careful with the longs. I'm shorting again. This one. My Lucid account. Oh yeah, I'm out here. We're up 3,775, so we made $800, guys. Another 800 bucks. We're just $700 away from hitting the 50%. Wow. This is the first Lucid daily account. Unbelievable. Thank you, guys. We're very close to that today's opening, but keep in mind there is a massive gap below that. There's a massive gap below that. Gotta trade some FundedSeat as well. Beautiful, 1,004 in FundedSeat. Oh, you were watching the other screen. 1,004, guys. Profit on FundedSeat, 1,004. We made a new low. There's no losses today. This is getting slaughtered. Go over the gap, buddy. Go over the gap. Oh, there's so much exciting. Exciting. And excitement. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Remember, we must hit minimum 180 likes to do it. Sign up for the giveaways. We run them daily. Oh, oh, oh. I have to do 700 bucks extra for this one. 700 bucks extra. Good day, very good day. Good day, Kim. Major. It's a major day. With Lucid coming out on a new plan. I'm not touching it yet. I'm not touching it yet. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Oh! That's some strong movement. Good job, Kim. A different one today. 2% today. Oh. That's going to be a big one, right? I might look forward to shorting it. No gap today? I don't think it's going double. It's taking the opening and the closing. It's commissioning each action. Risky short here, guys, with the momentum and impulse we have right now. Good job, guys. Good job. Be careful. You gotta be careful here with the sizings. I am making a step back. Making a step back. Yeah, I'm testing a short here. I'm testing a short here. I only want to do... about $700, guys. I'm testing my short here for my target on a Lucid daily. Are you pulling back? If you don't, then that's going to be a problem. And I will have to get out. If you don't pull back, it's going to be a problem. We got some good profits. Oh yeah. Look at that. Just a little deeper. We don't need a rejection here. We need acceptance. Come on, guys. Just a little more and we're hitting... Oh, there you go. 4,493, guys. The first trading with Lucid Daily. Look at that. What else do you guys want to see? What else do you want to see? 4,493 on 150K, 6% target, 50% consistency in the evaluation stage. Tomorrow we repeat this thing again. And then we do another 4,000 and I'll take that money out. I mean, whatever is above the buffer. Clean, absolutely clean. The whole thing has been denied. Look at that. We have a massive wick there. I'm not going to trade this 6,000. You have 34% consistency on $2,000. 34. Do the math, guys, quickly. No, on 3,000. 34 on 3,000. Do the math. What's my highest day? 34 on 3,000, guys. Do the math. Good morning. Good day, buddy. For my blue sky buffer stage. 34% consistency on 3,000 target. Do the math for my highest day. 5 accounts, yes, 5 funded, unlimited evaluations, unlimited. Space Jam, the moment you said go long, it's heavy. I hit my target by shorting. You think we're gonna stop here on the 500s again? You think it's that simple? You see the daily opening and it's running. Boom. We're gonna trade the other accounts too. We're gonna trade the other accounts too. A good job, Victor. Oh. Congrats, buddy. AD is close to the payout. Congratulations, congratulations. I'm watching this closely. You know, these levels are not easy to be shorted. Good touch. Good touch today. Ho, ho, ho. Good touch today. Oh. I bet it is. Filling up the gap, guys. Filling up the gap. Have a good time, Cabrera. Have a good time. We have new Lucid products. Very important. Very important. The best one in the space. RSI is always oversold and we're dumping. RSI is dead. It's confusing traders. Like never seen before. Yeah, we gotta fill up the gap. Whatever green candle comes around is going to be heavily sold. Let's trade the next pro. Sorry, the next daily. Let's trade the next daily. Oh. You can have unlimited evaluation accounts and maximum 5 funded as usually. I will be testing. Oh, it's the wrong account. We opened the short on the one we made money. We made an extra 500. I don't need it. I have to lose this. We made an extra 500. I didn't switch the account from the one we traded earlier, so we made an extra 500. I gotta lose this. And I'm gonna long it. Let's see. We gotta lose $500. Beautiful. We lost the value needed. Beautiful. We made a ton, guys. So we made money in the meantime on Blue Sky, 1,108 on a fresh evaluation Blue Sky. On the 150k static, 1,108. We got to lose $100 here because of the consistency. And we're going to lose that $100, no problem. Plus, we made money 931 on another fresh FundedSeat instant funding Bolt. Right, so 2 FundedSeats have been traded today. This one where we made 1,000 and the other one we just made 931. Blue Sky. Come on, we gotta lose that. Lose like $100, right? You keep DCAing until it no longer works. Come on, touch that loss. Dump it. Dump it. We gotta lose. You don't have to go the other way. We gotta lose. No, you got me wrong. We gotta lose. You do not have to go the other way, buddy. I'll DCA so we can lose easier. Come on. I'm opening a short here for a fresh evaluation 200k static. We had a target of $2,000. But this one, here we gotta lose 100. Beautiful, we lost 100. Lovely. What about the other? Great. Looking great here for the moment. We're gonna go stop loss. Let me not go stop loss break even yet. Let me not do it. Let me wait a little bit more. We'll go with a stop loss there. You guys think we're surfing for 300? Yeah, we touched 334 stop loss, not an issue. Because I'm getting back in my short. Critical level, that's right. Critical level. We could also think about the daily opening 500s to reshort this. But it looks quite comfortable so far. The artificial intelligence bot isn't sufficiently good. It's not. Yeah, so I got an official message, guys, from Lucid. The trailing stops on the funded stage once you clear the buffer. Yes. It's confirmed from the highest corners. Yes, I'm just reading right now on my, yeah. Oh yeah. That's an interesting pressure that stepped in. It is slowly holding the price. Look at that. We gotta trade some more daily accounts. We have DC in our short here, guys. Look at that. DC in our short. Yeah, looks exciting. Looks exciting. Oh. What are they up to? I'm out here, guys. I'm out here. Accepted the loss. It was not looking good. Right, so we could actually gain some points for the upside, and I certainly don't have to be part of that. Let's see, we have 25 minutes to go for the giveaways. If we collect the target is minimum 180 likes. Look at that lovely rejection. At the moment, I'm stepping out. Oh my gosh. Thinking about reshorting this. Yeah, I'm doing with 10 micros. With a stop loss above this wick. Is an interesting structure of possible momentum. Oh yeah. Come on. You're getting out of this space jam. Are you? It looks great for the shorts. Hit the likes, hit the road, Jack. Come on. Oh, so you want to see that down to 360s or whatever. This is looking like a great candle. Pretty bad I'm only trading on this account. But I'm not going to complain. We had 0 losses today on a tremendous day with the new Lucid accounts. Tremendous. 180, 220s. Oh. Come on, bring it down. You want a nosedive. Cliff. Oh yeah. We're not trailing yet, guys. We're not trailing. We're not trailing. I'm gonna trail soon. It's dumping. We're printing. You want 399 Space Gem? No worries. No worries. I'll give it to you. Oh. I'm not exiting. I'm just trailing break even, guys. 22 bucks. Yeah. Oh, look at that lovely rejection. I'm so happy and relaxed for this. Let's go. Hope you were able to monetize that fake bounce. And now you're smashing this. Look at that. 357 is all I need in this trade. That's my target. 357 is all I need. Get out, Space Jam. Nah. Why do you short here? I'm exiting. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Let's go. Go. Whoosh. Oh. 1,433 after the clearing. A $500 loss. Boom. Celebration. Celebration. Scrembo's on fire. I'm just getting terrified. Boom. Look at that. Nice. Look at that nice moment. Oh. They say it is complicated, but it's not. Thank you, guys. Good job, guys. Good job. I'm taking it slowly here because we're, you know, the gap is ending on the 300s. Last month's low, what do you guys think about last month's low, last week's low? 220s, 210, 230s. It's closing the gap. The question is if it stops there. Oh yeah. No losses today. It's incredible. We've been trading Lucid, a daily account, single account. They're making a lot of money. Look at that. Yeah. I want to trade the other ones too. You're not catching Space Jam. You can scalp and get out quickly. Scalp and get out quickly. Get 20, 30 points and out. Look at that. Nah, it's already below 343. Look at that. It's falling. It is falling. 60 points in 3 seconds. Where would I position along? Well, usually you need a structure before you can trade this kind of things. Otherwise, you're hoping the levels you speculate will react. Right, that's the first problem. And it is a serious problem, right? So we do have some meaningful points here quite close to us. 220s, 210. Meaningful levels. Even closing the gap here. Closing the gap here. Mosquitoes. So closing the gap. We just closed the gap right now. All these things would better need a structure. They be destroying. They be destroying because you have to wait for the price action to form a structure. Which means there's times when you should avoid trading for 2-3 hours. Otherwise, you're, speculating on possible meaningful levels, and you have to. Which Lucid account has daily payouts? The new account, Lucid Daily. Daily payout, no consistency, and no cap. Domi, no cap. Inside your dashboard area, inside your portal. Oh. It's going below that. Yes, Lucid has a new one. Yes, yes, yes. A massive one. Here you go. Here's the review video. Kim, the best products in the space. Oh, look at that, guys. This is going nuts. I've been nicely avoiding. I've been nicely avoiding this price action so far. We only shorted. I made some money for the blue sky. Look at that one, guys. Nothing survives here. You can buy this. Yes, yes, yes. We're already trading this one, Skim. I made a review video. I'm showing them pretty much everywhere. Inside your portal, inside your dashboard. Oh. You made your targets buying. You've been risking going against what dominates. I've sit on my side for a I've seen on my side a psychological tendency of trying to do the opposite than the market does, in terms of if it runs in any direction strongly, then I'm somehow, instead of going with the flow, psychologically I'm trying to catch the reverse. We used to say, well, it can't go like that forever, and I have a better edge for the other side. And as we have experience, that's not real. In making the money from longs when the market is heavily dumping, it's possible, but the cost of opportunity is tremendously not in your favor. Not in your favor, right? So there is a psychological attachment to the opposite than what dominates the market, saying that, well, it can't go like this forever, and the market dumped 300 points or whatever sizing, so I have a lot of the space for the upside. And then it continues another 60, 70, or it hits your stop losses a few times, and you get wrecked. Yeah, it's customizable, Kim. It's customizable. You can decide in your drawdown. You can decide the model of your daily loss. That's interesting, Jonathan. So let's trade. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh my quant tower. Here we are, guys, for my Blusky in the meantime. So we have 1,573 on a fresh static account of 200K. We have 830 on a fresh 200K. There's no loss here on Blusky today. We've been trading 4 accounts. There is no loss. Yes, we already have quite a few, Kim. That's what everyone is kind of trading. We talked about it in our videos here. Here's the video I posted on my channel. And here's the new plans explaining. Yeah, they're the best by far. Daily payouts, no payout caps, fully customizable. End of the day drawdown. A segment is intraday. Yes. You also have to watch this video where I'm explaining. Plus, we have a giveaway attached to that, guys, so you certainly want to look into the video I posted today on my channel. There is a bee here around me. Probably sent by the market makers, making lose some money, but we're not losing anything. Where's my quant? Come on. What's wrong with this bee? I think it's a bot. How much is it the new plan? Well, depends the way you go about it, because you have the ability to adjust. It cannot be cheaper when it's a lot better. You don't need 5 days of trading. It's a different product. It's superior. I don't think I don't know the current price of TPT, but you have way less profits on the TPT. 80 to 20 on the payout. Lucid is 90 to 10. The Lucid daily do not require 5 days on the evaluation. You pass the evaluation in 2 days, 50% consistency, and your first trading day you can request your payout. Yeah. So it depends, Andrew, which way you go about it. You go, because it's customizable, and with every single thing you're selecting, price is changing. Right, but the cheap version, excluding the intraday for the evaluation, and you go end of the day evaluation, you go with a daily loss limit. If you accept the daily loss limit, then you have a lower price. Look at that one, guys. This is just crazy, right? This is an interesting level here. Oh. Wow. I hope you survived, Space Jam. You've been longing this. So here's our second Lucid daily account of 150,000, guys. Here is it, guys. I'm out. I'll take $1,000 profit in my first trade on the second account. On the first account, we got to the target. Yeah, somebody means nobody. Nobody from the ones that are important in this whole thing. It's game over on that subject. You know, we've reached a stage that even if the peace talks are real, no one is going to believe it anymore. We reached that stage, guys, of surplus of lies. Surplus of lies drive you to that stage. Surplus of manipulation bring you to that point of denial. It's embarrassing, yeah. Embarrassing. All the lies coming out. Yep. It was well prepared. It was well prepared to be that way. It was game over. And it's not going to get fixed. I'm going to DCA, guys. I mean, I'm going to open up my trade as soon as we undercut here. 220, 2 minutes long. It is short term. It is a strong problem. Long term things might get fixed, but there is a huge cost for the short term. The uncertainty is tremendous here. Yeah. AD is needing $600 for the max payout. Maybe you want to take it slowly. Good catch. Good catch, Jake. We have a 2020 here. 220, I mean. Take it slow. The money is right there. Let's go. I think it's going to be your first payout, AD. What a journey. What a journey. He's been trading with us, following us for a while. Progressing, increasing, developing, becoming much better daily. You know, the prop firms are making money because a lot of the people give up early. That's why they're making money, not willing to pay the educational and the learning curve price. The learning curve has a price. That's the nature of this business. The learning curve has a price. Thank you, Parvin. All the best. So this learning curve has a price, which at the beginning, it is a price. It's not a profit. It is a price at the beginning. For how long depends on the person. It do not depends on the markets. It do not depends on the size of your monitors, your setup, your whatever. It do not depends on that. It depends on many other things, guys. Good job, Parvin. Good job. You know, that's the first payout, guys, is like the first million. The hardest. You know the story with the first million. That's kind of the same thing with the first payout. That's the hardest. Once you get that, it's game over. Well, you can still use the old Lucid accounts, sure, not an issue. I don't mind, guys, that we're sitting here around this price section. I only need a wick to my entry. I only need a wick. You're gonna get there at some point, AD. You're gonna get there. Even after the first bout and your great journey, guys, you still have to continue slow. Down on the earth. Humble. You don't want to have big pals that you start trading differently because you believe it's unbeatable. You can lose your signal quite easily. So, no rush. This is a long-term thing. Scrembo is going to be here in 2050, 2075, 2000, hopefully. Oh, the new me. Sorry to hear that. We're about to hit our limit order long entry if the nasty Nasdaq market makers. Do they want me to do market order here? Do they want me to do market order here is my question. Because I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to chase this. Exactly. Exactly. I'm not going to chase this, guys. I have a limit order and I have to follow the principles. FOMO tells me right now, what if we rush 300 points? Press the button, Scrembo, what if we rush? What if we rush? I say we don't rush. And staying flat is also a good position. Right? They should have wicked a little lower. Right? So the market makers watching the live stream, look at that. 223 and I'm having 220s. Market makers watching this live stream. Avoiding my limit order entries. Let it go up. I'm not on board yet. I'm still in the terminal waiting to be called out. Are you guys waiting in the airport to be called out? That's the way I'm waiting with the limit order here. Come on. Now it's the time to do it. It is the time to follow through. You see who's missing this whole show? 12AC is missing. 12AC is missing. He's making daily pasta pomodoro and gambling with accounts. I'm sitting on 220s. 220s, guys. A little lower right now. 216. I moved it to 216. Oh, take it slow, Joseph. Take it slow. When the markets are running, you can trade the next hours. In the next, avoid trading for the next 2-3 hours. Moving a little lower here. A little lower, guys. I'm 212 right now on limit order. 212. I need a wick. 210. 210. Come on. Have a nice wick. Oh my gosh. We missed the entry, but I'm going to do limit order. 2 minis. We missed the entry there by a point or by a tick or something like that. But I did 2 minis long. Market order, 230s. My initial 220s would have been better, right? Wow, but I wanted to get a 213. He was fixing, yeah, I don't know. He's fixing many things, I guess so. Oh, I like this, guys. Come on. All that volume. All that volume. I added another contract here, so we are sitting on 3 minis. Target is 4,500. Oh, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. We have a daily loss limit of 2,700 here. What are they up to? Going to my initial entry. Wow. If I would just do a single contract here, this trade would be profitable in the next few hours. If you do a single contract, 1 mini long and you got buffer, you're nicely relaxed, or 20 micros or 10 micros or whatever number like that. Very likely the trade is going to be in profit in the next few hours. And you can relate this to the way I'm trading my big belly accounts. Are you guys aware that these are the levels we're touching right now? Last month's low, last week's low, and currently we established today's low. You know this level is not going to remain untouched for the next days, I guess, and I bet you know that. I don't think this level remains right now. It will remain like this untouched in the next days. I don't think that. No. Good call. Oh my gosh. This is running deep. And it's hitting my daily loss limit. Yeah, it's probably going to hit my daily loss limit. I'm out here for the moment. 1,600. Our daily loss limit is 2,700. But I have to get out here, even though it could be a nice total bottom here. We'll do the giveaway, guys, in a few minutes. Yeah, this is the place I'm testing along. We have the daily loss limit at 2,700. We're going to deal with that. For this daily accounts. Probably not going to touch that, right? Come on. Update it here. It's not gonna hold. It's daily loss limit. Soft breach, not an issue. We have a ton. Oh. Not a good thing longing it. Not a good thing. Look at that. Come on. Give me a rejection here, a refusal, and we are having a decent long. If you undercut, you touch my daily loss, 2,800. The max loss is 4,500, right? So double that. One daily loss hit, one target hit today for the daily accounts. It's very good. Yeah. Really good performance through the blue sky. Really good. 4 accounts traded, all profitable. 2 accounts traded on FundedSeat, both profitable. I'm very excited for our 4,500. This one. Because we might have this one converted tomorrow, funded tomorrow. And then the same day I could go for the pals. Imagine. That would be crazy, right? What a lovely bleeding, right? No, have not traded the other ones. No, nothing from the other ones. No. I'm not going to trade those guys today with this market. I'm fully avoiding all the 5. We got the 5 funded. Look at that. No, it's very, very dangerous. Alright guys, so it's time for the giveaways. Come on, let's do it. Get out Quant Tower. Not to touch anything there. Careful guys. Time for the giveaways. Time for the giveaways. What do we need? We need the wheel, we need the ducks, we need formula. That's all we need. Massive celebration, guys, for today, considering the new accounts from Lucid. So it's time for the giveaways. Yeah. But I'm also extremely hyped up with the new accounts. The adrenaline is high and my focus is decrease the focusing capabilities with all the studies we did today, with all the videos we filmed and all that stuff, guys. I kind of lost my energy. So watch out for the numbers. How you participate should be your question, right? The way you participate. Well, you have to fill up the form, guys. Fill up the form. There's the formula. Fill up the form. It is your day. It's absolutely mandatory to fill up the form. And then the next thing is you have to like the video. And the next thing is you have to be subscribed. And then the next thing is, why would you subscribe? Because we're streaming from Monday to Friday and you get a notification 8 AM EST time. Daily giveaways, fresh announcements, and a lot of educational videos. And you want to be part of our Discord community, the place where traders gather and help each other. Great. So the first giveaway is going to include a lot of accounts. It's a little late. We're doing a lot of accounts. So we're doing 3 accounts of 50K from Blusky. For, yeah, 3 accounts of 50K from Blusky. And we're doing to this one a Lucid Flex 50K, right? So 50K Lucid Flex. We're doing 4 accounts. 4 accounts. Yeah, it's lovely, right? Isn't it? It's lovely the way the whole thing moves. It is absolutely lovely. Not only just about a gaps, way deeper than that. Again. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Watch out for the numbers. 00, 11, 22. It's very simple. You can start right now. Let's go. A single choice per person. We're doing Blusky and Flex. We're sharing 4 accounts. 3 of Blusky and 1 of Flex. 4 accounts we're going to share. Let me know your best choice, guys. 00, 11, 22. It's simple. Alright, so stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Best of luck, everyone. We're sharing 4 accounts in this one. That could be the red number 2, by the way. That could be the red number 2. If we stop there, do we stop here for the red number 2? I think so. Oh, look at that, chat. Oh, it is, yeah. It is the number 2. Yeah, it's confirmed. It's the number 2. Congratulations for the winners. Oh, yeah. Congratulations. Time for the ducks. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. Remember, we're sharing 4 accounts. And let me tell you the order. The first 3 accounts will be the Blusky ones. 50K Blusky for the top 3. The 4th will receive the Lucid Flex. Badger is not here today. He is skipping today's. But it's gonna come back strongly. Top 3, 50K Blusky. The 4th, Echo. Only Jim at Simple Peter and Invest Brown. Congratulations for the winners. Good job, guys. Good job, everyone. Look at that. Congratulations. No Morello on the 9th. Adam on the 10th. Look at that. We have quite a few players here. We're going to find out if you filled up the form. There is a chance from this 4 to have quite a few without filling up the form, right? Nasdaq on the 40s. This is what it means not to trade it when it does what it does. Echo. Yes, you're confirmed. Only Jim. Yes, confirmed. Simple Peter. You guys are all with 50k Blue Sky. Yes, confirmed. Invest. BR no. Invest BR no is basically with a Lucid Flex. Congratulations. 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 Good job, guys. Winners, you have to reach out to me on Discord. Continuing with the next giveaway. Congratulations. Oh. The next giveaway, exactly. They're not stopping the bleeding. It's one of those heavy days. I told you my big belly accounts are not going to trade this. So, all the way down to 28,000. The next giveaways will be... So we shared 200k. We shared 200k in this one. We're going to do Top 1 Futures. 25k Ignite Instant Funded. Then 25,000 FundedSeat Flex. And 50k YRM. These are the 3 accounts we're doing in this one. Watch out for the numbers. 0011 You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Start right now. Market's dumping heavily. That's incredible. We had a daily loss of 2,700 touch today, and that's it. And all the accounts, all the rest of the accounts we traded made money. It's one of the best performance on a consuming day for me, with all that Lucid daily research and study and film it and do the editing and all that. Because we publish, guys. You want to watch the video on my channel, the new Lucid account, the new model. You want to watch that. We're having a giveaway attached to that one too. You don't want to miss out. No. Yeah, we might be due for a nice correction on the Nasdaq, guys. Come on, take it down to 26,000. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Good. Shuffle, and here we go. Best of luck, everyone. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? We're down. We're below 28,000. That's gonna be the 0. Oh, look at that gang on number 2, guys. Are you exciting? But I'm pushing the pedal. I'm not going to stop this on number 2, guys. I promise you. I'm not going to stop it on number 2. I am promising you. Oh, congratulations for winners. This is rigged, right? It's rigged. Wow. That was so emotional. So emotional. Look at that break. Absolutely lovely. You know, we've been doing it for a while. We got the control nice and smooth. So let's go, guys. 30 seconds competition time, remember. Tap 1 Futures, the first one. 25,000 instant funded Ignite account for the Tap 1 Futures, and the second one is a FundedSeat Flex 25,000. The third one is a 50,000 wind. Wow. Oh, look at that. Debadik Hatak, Crypto Game Codes, and Dr. Kulu. These are the top 3 winners. Congratulations. Let's find out. Debadeep is here for the Ignite account from Tap 1 Futures. Yes. Crypto game for the yes. FundedSeat 25,000 Flex, and Dr. Kulu for the YRM. Yes. Congratulations. Everyone is fully confirmed, just like Nasdaq dumping heavily, smashing through the order. Look at that, guys. Wow. In such a day, normally, we would be down on the big belly 50, 60, 70 grand, right? You guys know that. In such a day, normally, if we don't take the shorts, we would be down 50, 60, 70 grand on the big belly. If I long the big belly here, you think I'm going to be in profit by the end of the session? Think about it, guys. If I long it here, blindly, we shared 300k. If I long it here blindly, will I be on my big belly accounts in profit by the end of the session? Very likely, right? Alright, guys, so once again, here's the video that I filmed today about the new Lucid accounts, which are the best in the industry by far, I would say. Daily payouts, no consistency, no cap. You're making 6,000 in your first day, take it out. Take it out. Hit that green request the payout button and stop the discussions. You don't need to chat with anyone, just take it out. Check the video right there on my channel. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely and a beautiful day. We talk to you on Discord. We keep up in touch. Any questions, let me know on Discord. Let me know on my YouTube. Have a lovely, beautiful day. Thank you once again. Talk